Hi guys, welcome back. If you want to withdraw money from Oopbuy, how can you withdraw? So before you made a withdrawal session, you need to know the terms and conditions of withdrawing funds from Oopbuy because in some cases, people want to trade their coin with money, but they will not do like this because you cannot change a coin into a thing to withdraw. You can be able to use in your Oopbuy application. Only to make a purchase for items, clothes, or whatever, you can make a purchase. But you will not be able to change into withdraw money. If you want to withdraw money, go ahead to your Oopbuy application first, and you already have a money on your balance, you can able to withdraw. So this is your home screen and go back again to balance. So if you want to withdraw, just click balance here. And now you will be able to see your fan amount here. And if you want to withdraw, you just need to click return here. So currently I have nothing because that's my very first time using. So if you want to withdraw this one, beside your menu, you will be able to see the section called withdraw. So if you saw the withdraw option, just click to withdraw. And you need to enter your amount, your password or whatever, the thing that you need. And also, if you want to if you want to get a if you want to withdraw as a to your credit card or debit card, you need to insert your card detail. Or if you just want to withdraw to your Apple Pay or other banking, you need to insert the information that you're gonna need for your payment. So by doing that, you can withdraw your money easily from your balance. But as I mentioned before, you need to have balance in your balance section first because if you don't have, you cannot be able to withdraw. So trying to make sure to have balance on your Oopbuy application first and you can make withdraw easily. So that's how to withdraw money from Oopbuy, guys. I hope this will help you a lot if you want to withdraw money. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much and see you back.